To clean the print bed of your Simplex printer, you can easily set the print bed to the required position using the touch display. It is important to clean the print bed thoroughly and remove any residues to prevent printing problems. For optimum print bed adhesion, clean the print bed exclusively with Spirit and a cellulose cloth. A clean print bed is the key to a clean print. It is advisable to wear gloves when removing the model from the print bed to reduce the risk of grease residues. A misprint may occur if the print bed is not sufficiently clean. To minimize misprints, always clean the print bed before each new print.